Hello and welcome to this ScriptBuddy tutorial on setting script options. So we can start by selecting a script that we've just imported, macbeth.pdf, and selecting the menu button in the top right corner and choosing options. So on this screen we can see the options that we have for our script, and the first option there is the title. So let's go ahead and change that to something a little more friendly. By default, it will use the file name of the script that you've imported. Okay, and then looking through the other options here, we can control playback. So whether stage directions get read during playback, and the same for bookmarks, music cues, and comments. So we can easily toggle through those to change those settings. So with none of those enabled, basically the script is just going to read dialogue and it's going to ignore everything else. We have an option here to alert or vibrate on prompt. So what this does is if it's your line and it's your turn to speak it, ScriptBuddy will actually play a tone, or depending on if your phone volume is on or off, it will just vibrate in your hand to let you know that it's time to speak your line. Again, you can toggle that on and off. Words to prompt defines how many words will actually be displayed to us at a time if we need help with our line and we choose to use the prompt button. So the default here is 3. I can change this to 5, and when we need help, we will see 5 words at a time. So let's go take a look at that. First, let's go and set a character here. Let's make ourselves second witch. And so we see here I have a scene heading, which is a bookmark, and I have a stage direction here, followed by a line of dialogue, then our line. So based on our options here, I would expect that none of these are read except for the dialogue.
When shall we three meet again in thunder, lightning, or in rain?
And there it is. We set our prompt to show 5 words at a time, so when I hit the prompt button,
when the hurlyburly's done, when
we see 5 words. And I can push it again to see the next 5 words.
when the hurlyburly's done, when the battle's lost and won.
So there you go. That's pretty straightforward. The other option I'll show you is on the main script screen. There is a settings button in the bottom right corner. And if we click that, we're going to see all the same options minus the script title. And basically what we can do here is we can set up our defaults. So if we want to make sure that every time we add a script, we want it to use the same settings, we can do that here, and we can save that. Now when you save this, you have 2 options. You can set it as your default for all future scripts, or you can actually have it update all existing scripts. So let's do update all scripts. And now if we go back to Macbeth and view our options, we should see those updated to those new settings. And there you go. Okay guys, that's it for script options. Thanks for checking this video out.